How to set up Lemlist cold email, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to set up Lemlist cold emails. It's a very quick and easy tutorial for you guys. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you can go to app.lemlist.com and you will land on this platform right here. Lemlist is an email marketing campaign builder that allows you to create email marketing campaigns, and we can also create cold emails. It's a very effective platform and helps you get more traffic. It helps you with your business. How to get started with Lemlist? Once you get to app.lemlist.com, you can create your own account with your simple Google account and you can get a free trial. So it is available for free. And if you are satisfied with the free trial, then you can upgrade to a plan. After the initial sign up and sign in, this is where you will get. You can see this is our main editor on Lemlist, and in our editor we have task, reports, then we have settings, and you can see I have unsubscribed and my templates. This is kind of like a workspace that we have, and we can also invite different members to our Lemlist. To create a new campaign, you will find the option right here at the bottom. We will be creating a cold email today. Alright, so first of all, we have name your campaign. You have to give your campaign a name. I'm going to call it test. Click on next. Alright, so here we have how do you want to import your leads. Now, you can upload your CSV. If you have an Excel sheet already created, then you will just click on from an CSV file, or you can get it from Zapier, HubSpot if you are using any of the platform, or LinkedIn right here. So for now, I'm just going to click on manually. And then we have manually import your leads. So here I will type and paste the email addresses. Again, you can do it very easily with a CSV. So I'm just going to type in few email here because this is a test campaign that I'm creating. Once you're done with importing your list, you will click on continue. So if you want to synchronize your update leads to your CRM, you can do that, or otherwise you can say, thank you. We can also select a schedule for the campaign, and I'm going to select from Monday to Friday. Now we can start with our sequence. All right, so here we have our email campaign. Here we have our cold email that we can create with Lemlist. So it's actually really easy. It's a simple drag and drop here inside our editor, and I also showed you from the scratch how to get here. This is our campaign name. You can see we have some of the option here. For example, you can add your sender email here. Then we have the email list, we have time. So if you miss anything, it will be shown here. Here we have the leads, sequences, schedule, settings, and review. In sequence, you create your cold email. Let's say I am creating a cold email for my YouTube channel. So the first step is sending an email when we get a new subscriber. Let's say I want to create that. So for the first step, we will be adding an email. And in email, we have different templates already created. For example, customer, getting new clients for your agencies. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to select a template. So this will be embedded right here and I can customize the template. Now we have bonjour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to hello. We have selected my company name. So I'm going to enter TSG. This is just an example email. You will select the one you want to go for, or you can start from the scratch to select any of the email template and then add your images and create an email. So this is my first email that will be sent to my subscriber, let's say, or to my new client. I will add it right here. So now it's done. Click on add new step. So the next step is actually going to be wait for 1 day. That's what it says. But if you want to skip the waiting part, you can skip and you can just, add like 2. Maybe you can add more than 1 day. You can add few hours if you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add actually wait for 1 day. So the step 2 is going to be calling them, inviting them to my LinkedIn. Let's say that. So I'm going to select this invite only option, and we can enter our LinkedIn profile here, and we can also add a message. All right, so this is what my email will be. Now the new step, wait for 1 day. I'm not gonna wait, and what I want them to know is I can actually add a new email, or we can add like a message, or we can actually create something from the scratch too. So for now, I'm not going to wait. And what I will do is I will send them an email for the visit to my profile again with this. All right. And then we can create more and more steps. So this is how you create your sequence. If you want to delete any of the sequence, for example, I'm going to delete the last one. Click on this bin, click on OK, and that will be deleted. So I have two steps now. And we can add another one again. Click on new step, phone number. Then we have API, blank email. So if you go with the blank email, that means that you will customize your email from the scratch. And I can actually add my products here. I can create a professional email. Enter the subject line. So the subject line for this is going to be, let's say, our merchandise. And I can now type in whatever I want to. We can quickly insert an image. We can insert video. We have lines and ordered lists, and again, images that we can add to our email. We can also add signatures. Click on signature and you will be able to add it right here. We can add templates. We can select templates and also add custom variables. Let's say this is my email, my last email that I want to send them, and this is what it will look like. We can also create an A-B split email if we want to. So that will give my customers a choice, or I can choose if I want to go with, or I can add two email in one step. So we can go with like an inspiration email or a blank email, then I will be able to add them both here. So this is A-B split. That's what we call it. You can see A-B split test this sequence. And then we have same, this will help me get more analytics into my promotional emails, to my cold email campaign, that which of the email actually did good than the other one. This is for us to know the results. Click on save and your cold email will be saved. I'm just gonna click on save. You can see now it has been copied. We can go to the test email now and will show me my sequence. Moving on, we have to schedule our email. So we can create a new schedule, or we can select the schedule that we created in this chart. So you will enter your schedule name, you will enter your hours, and then we have based on the time zone. In settings, make sure to go with, you also have an emoji for this. This is just for you. So you can select from here. We have campaign name, which I added test. Then we have labels, and we can customize our campaigns according to different labels, and we can create labels. For example, I'm going to create this one and I'm going to call it test so that I have an idea that I created this one for the video. Email address to send email. So you have to select an email. So I'm going to select my email address for which I signed up. Stop sending messages when you're late. Create a new task when you're late. So I'm going to select this. It will create a task. So Lemlist is not just to create email, it also helps us manage them better. So I can just check this notification that I will get a task here that I need to create in a cold email campaign or send an email campaign to a new subscriber. Then we have scanners, duplicate forms, and that you can work on for a better and professional cold email. Once you're done, you can click on review and it will show you the review of your campaign, and this is what it looks like. It's a one-page campaign and I can send it to my email addresses using Lemlist. Using Lemlist is really easy, and now you can create professional cold emails very easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.